Welcome to Bindbee. In this video, we will provide a detailed demonstration of our product. Bindbee offers a comprehensive no-code architecture for your customer-facing integrations. As you look at our dashboard, you can see the number of active connectors being used by your customers, any pending connectors, and whether there's a need for relinking. Additionally, you can gain insight into which connectors each customer is using. For example, take a look at the Bamboo HR connector. In the drop-down, you'll notice that Walmart is using Bamboo HR, and it is functioning properly. By clicking on the log, you can view all the log entries for this specific connector. If we go back, you can also check for any pending connectors. With a simple click, you can filter and view all the pending connectors. You will notice there are some incomplete connectors here. Creating a new connector with Bindbee is as simple as booking a flight ticket. Just click on the New Connector button, and for demonstration purposes, let's assume the customer is Target, and they are using Bamboo HR. We'll enter Target as the organization name and select HRIS as the category. This process is similar if we were to integrate an ATS. So I will insert a unique ID and then continue to the next step. Bindbee offers a variety of integrations, which include ADP, Bamboo HR, Google Workspace, HiBob, Oracle, UKG, and SuccessFactors from SAP, among others. However, for this demo, we will select Bamboo HR. Simply click on Bamboo HR and create the link. This link is a magic link used for authorization purposes. You can either have your customers authorized directly on this magic link, or you can collect details from them, such as their API key and OAuth, to complete the authorization on their behalf. If you choose to send this to your customers, they will be directed to a page like the one displayed here. This page outlines the data that can be read from and written to Bamboo HR. If there are specific data points that you do not require, it's possible to remove these so that your customers are clear about what data they are providing to you from their HRIS system. Additionally, this integration works both ways, allowing you to write data back. There is an option to click on Allow to proceed, after which we input our AP1 to ensure the authentication with the home system. In the case of Bamboo HR, they implement a two-step authentication process that requires a subdomain name and an API key. We enter the subdomain and proceed to add the API key before clicking on Connect. As we mentioned earlier, this is what we consider to be the quickest no-code HRIS and ATS integration available. Now, let's go back to check if the connector has been built. By clicking on Connectors, you can see that the target connector with Bamboo HR is now established. You can click to monitor the data syncing process, check when the next sync is scheduled, and view other details like the connector token and unique ID. If you visit the Logs section, you will find data flowing in, indicating that the integration with this particular connector is active. Moreover, we provide detailed documentation to assist you. What we have accomplished is the unification of the entire model for HRIS, ATS, VMS, and payroll systems into one streamlined process. This simplifies the data integration, making it incredibly user-friendly for you to use and benefit from. If you see all the employee data, you don't need to worry about what various HR systems call employee numbers. They might refer to them as simply a number or an employee ID. However, your only concern should be what we refer to as the employee number and connecting that single data point. This is how we are unifying HRIS data. To make integration incredibly thorough, we also provide you with the raw data. This ensures that for your particular use cases, you can access this data. For instance, if your customer is requesting a t-shirt size, to send the t-shirt size to your application, you can directly select the raw data of the t-shirt size and link this to your application. There are various unified models based on your use case. We provide models for benefits, dependents, employment, payrolls, attendance, and compensation. If you have any doubts, please let us know. We're happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much.